Movie name is Tinkerbell and the Great Fairy Rescue. The fairies, including Tinkerbell, travel to the mainland for summer. They go to a place where humans are having a summer vacation. The fairies' job is to help nature, like guiding butterflies and fixing natural things, etc. A little girl named Lizzy is staying in the countryside with her father, a scientist. Lizzy is curious, imaginative, and believes in fairies, even though her father thinks fairies are not real. Lizzy collects information about fairies in her little field journal. Her father, however, is too busy with his research and doesn't pay much attention to her dreams. Lizzie builds a small fairy house as a gift, hoping that a fairy will come. Tinkerbell discovers the house and enters it. Suddenly, Lizzie sees her, making Tinkerbell the first fairy ever to openly meet a human. Lizzie is amazed and overjoyed. Tinkerbell realizes Lizzie means no harm, so she stays with her. Since Lizzie cannot understand fairy language, Tinkerbell uses gestures and helps Lizzie understand fairy life. Tinkerbell also fixes Lizzie's journal by writing notes and drawing inside it to explain fairy secrets. They become close friends, spending the day learning from each other. Meanwhile, the other fairies, Vidya, Rosette, Iridissa, Silvermist, Fawn, etc., realize that Tinkerbell has gone missing. They fear she has been captured by a human. They decide to rescue her, led by Vidya, who usually argues with Tinkerbell but deep down cares for her. Lizzie's father notices strange things in the house, like tiny furniture moving, paper filled with fairy notes, etc. He doesn't believe in fairies but thinks there's some scientific explanation. When he sees Tinkerbell, he tries to catch her, believing she is a rare insect to study. Lizzie tries to protect Tinkerbell, but her father captures Vidya by mistake. The fairies launch a rescue mission using leaf boards, dragonflies, and clever teamwork. Lizzie helps them by standing up to her father and showing him that fairies are real. At the climax, Lizzie bravely explains how much she loves and believes in fairies, and Tinkerbell shows her magic in front of Lizzie's father. The father finally realizes that his daughter's imagination was true all along. He apologizes to Lizzie and promises to listen to her more. Tinkerbell and the fairies are now safe. Lizzie's relationship with her father grows stronger. The fairies return to Pixie Hollow happy that they finally connected with a human in friendship instead of fear. That's the happy ending of this movie.